Srimati Inauguration PLD, Honorable Minister of State Commerce and Industry, His Excellency M. Pereira ji, Governor of Brazil, Shri Saurabh Bhardwaj ji, Honorable Minister of Government of Delhi, Pradeep Swarla ji, CM ji, other dignitaries on the stage, diplomats and officials, friends from media, ladies and gentlemen. The 42nd edition of the Indian International Trade Fair is a premier event organized by the IITF. It is a hub for both domestic and international trade events and is becoming an ideal destination for global exhibitions and conventions due to induction of Park Mandapam. Over the years, IITF has established itself as a leading show with B2B and B2C components in South Asia. As in the past, State Day celebrations, seminars, workshops, and cultural programs are among the added attraction to the visitors. Apart from featuring state-of-the-art technology, products, services, innovations, along with CS initiatives, the fair showcases India's handicrafts and handloom immense variety. The visitors provide covered captains of the trade and industry, overseas trade delegations, foreign emissaries, business persons, decision makers, prominent members of the Indian cabinet, chief ministers of state, members of parliament, state legislative bodies, senior bureaucrats, policy makers, media persons, thinkers, and millions of eager customers who are considered the rule of the market economy. IITF awards and trophies are considered as one of the most esteemed awards widely claimed by business fraternity of India and abroad. These awards are awarded to the exhibitors to motivate them to go that extra mile. The theme of the fair aims to promote investment and self-reliance and closer ties with the rest of the world. Since its inception in 1979, the journey of the IITF has remained the one with the commitment to showcase India and its brand excellence by IITF. IITF 2023 also provides first-hand information of the policy, progress of reforms, and the new schemes launched by Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India under the Foreign Trade Policy. The fair, an ideal platform to enable India's startup ecosystem and SMEs, which result in generation of new jobs. Over the years, the fair has grown in size, magnitude, style, recognition among the global trade community. With over 3,500 exhibitors from India and abroad, IITF 2023 has been organized in a total area of 110,000 square meters. Bihar and Kerala are the partner states, while Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh are the focus states. Overseas participation is from 13 countries. There is Afghanistan, Bangladesh, Oman, Egypt, Nepal, Thailand, Turkey, Vietnam, Tunisia, Kyrgyzstan, Lebanon, Iran, and UAE. ITFU has introduced transmitted online system for booking of stars and other services. Online registration for dignitaries during first 5 days, mobile applications for the fair and LED screen for display information. Though this addition of IITF, it hopes that there will foster new partnerships, improve business interactions, and showcase Indian brand in our bid to become the world's preferred investment destination. I hope this year will give an opportunity to all the people and it will add a new chapter to the year. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.